Yeah. Hello guys, in this video I'll actually be showing you how to force mate your rabbit using the rubber band method. But before we start, I would like to explain some key things to you. So before, why do you actually need to force mate? Why do you need to force mate? So the first reason is when the doe is not allowing the buck to mount on her. That is when the doe is using her tail to cover her genitals. So the genitals of the buck won't be able to, penetrate. Another reason is actually some people actually run a commercial farm, so mating is actually scheduled. So in this process you can actually force mate your rabbit to mate the scheduled time. Another reason you need to force mate is when you want desired traits in a buck and a doe. You want your doe to mate a particular buck in order for them to produce an offspring with desired traits. You can actually force mate your doe. So what time do you need to mate? Generally, mating is supposed to occur early in the morning or late in the evening. Why is this? You see, in the buck are often stressed in the afternoon. Like, the quality of their sperm is not as good as that in the morning, and both the buck and the doe are calm in the morning. They are not stressed. So you can either mate your rabbits probably in the morning or in the afternoon. So let's get to it. Okay, so you are using this glue. That's actually been refusing to mate, so I have to use this rubber band here, brother. So this is what you do. You want the rubber band like this, then then you twist it this way, and that's for it to then the right to our tail. So let's see. Bring it right to our tail, so it will hold the tail and allow the buck to be able to penetrate. Yeah, there you go. So can you see this way? Super. Oh, we need to do that again. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Bring it right here. Yeah. Yeah. So you can get the block, then block with a yeah, so that's a successful mating day. So what you notice is when the buck mates the buck gives a loud cry and they fall. So that's how to successfully mate. So you notice the buck is stomping its feet. It shows that it had a good time with the doe. So the first mating has actually occurred. If you enjoyed this video, do also give this video a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and smash on the notification button in order to receive notification when I post new videos on various farming tips.